Now I will teach you how to edit the audio of the video. First, you have to open my existing video. Because the background noise such as the hum of the computers or people taking nearby can affect the quality of the video. We can use the noise removal. There are two ways of noise removal: the automatic noise removal and the manually noise removal. First, we're going to use the automatic noise removal. Click the audio and click the enable noise removal. Within the audio tab, select enable noise removal. Noise removal is applied in the timeline immediately. In the timeline, the green turns to orange. That's You can see that the noise removal is active. To hear the new audio, click the play. And then second, we use the manually noise removal. Within the audio, click again the audio and then click advance, and then on the timeline click the green endpoint or the red endpoint to make a selection of silence. I will choose this. We can use the zoom and slider to see the outcome of the selection that we make. And then click the use manual noise selection. And see that is applying also the noise removal. After that, you can see to hear the new audio. And that's it. That's how to edit the audio and a timeline to hear the quality of the video.